Hello everyone, Anand. Welcome you to day one of preparing for placements. I currently am in sixth sem of computer science engineering and I thought of doing some projects like for now it's for the beginner level and I refer to various websites like W3 schools, Geek for Geeks and so on. And I started my first project in Java that is Currency Converter. Hope you guys are doing well with your studies. I will be using code editor known as VS Code for all my projects, whether it might be a Java or web development. Um, Currently, I'm focusing on C, Java, and front-end development, along with some Microsoft Excel tricks and so on. I will be making a Discord channel for all of us, like in coming next week, might be. So now let's see about the code on the currency converter. I have created a package class called scanner. I have imported it from the java.util package. So here java.util.scanner. So it's a package and this is a class. Okay. Now I have taken the class to be currency because my file name is currency. So what you give the file name as, it's better to take that only, or else you might face some error. See now if I give currency converter, already it is coming red line. What do you mean by this red line? So when you click on this red line, you will be shown with a new tab that public type currency convert must be defined, okay, within the file. So we can't take this. Whatever the file name, it's better to take that. So in the next step, I have defined the USD rates, that is the dollar. This is the euro, pound, and yen. So now all the code will start from main. So in Java, to write main class, we will be taking public static void main along with some arguments that is within the string. Okay. Now scanner is equal to, I have taken the scanner to be SCANNER. Okay. Next, we will be asking the users, we are going to convert the currency from Indian rupees to one of the following things, that is to dollars and euro, pound, and yen. Okay. Now we are first here. If we're going to compare it with our C programming, it's just like the printf statement where we are going to enter some input here and it is going to display as it is in the screen. So entered value will be scanned here. Okay. Next, choose the currency to convert to. Okay, it might be USD, Euro, Pound, or Yen. Now here we are going to take choice and converted amount and we are going to initialize it. And we all know switch cases, right? Let me. Hello everyone, Anand. Welcome you to day one of preparing for placements. I currently am in sixth sem of computer science engineering and I thought of doing some projects like for now it's for the beginner level and I refer to various websites like W3 schools, Geek for Geeks, and so on. And I started my first project in Java that is Currency Converter. Hope you guys are doing well with your studies. I will be using code editor known as VS Code for all my projects, whether it might be a Java or web development. Um, Currently, I'm focusing on C, Java, and front-end development, along with some Microsoft Excel tricks and so on. I will be making a Discord channel for all of us, like in coming next week, might be. So now let's see about the code on the currency converter. I have created a package class called scanner. I have imported it from the java.util package. So here java.util.scanner. So it's a package and this is a class. Okay. Now I have taken the class to be currency because my file name is currency. So what you give the file name as, it's better to take that only, or else you might face some error. See now if I give currency converter, already it is coming red line. What do you mean by this red line? So when you click on this red line, you will be shown with a new tab that public type currency convert must be defined, okay, within the file. So we can't take this. Whatever the file name, it's better to take that. So in the next step, I have defined the USD rates, that is the dollar. This is the euro, pound, and yen. So now all the code will start from main. So in Java, to write main class, we will be taking public static void main along with some arguments that is within the string. Okay. Now scanner is equal to, I have taken the scanner to be scanner. Okay. Next, we will be asking the users, we are going to convert the currency from Indian rupees to one of the following things, that is to dollars and euro, pound, and yen. Okay. Now we are first here. If we're going to compare it with our C programming, is just like the printf statement where we are going to enter some input here and it is going to display as it is in the screen. So entered value will be scanned here. Okay. Next, choose the currency to convert to. Okay, it might be USD, Euro, Pound, or Yen. Now here we are going to take choice and converted amount and we are going to initialize it. And we all know switch cases, right? Let me just let me just tell you the switch case syntax. So syntax for the switch case will be switch case. Inside the bracket we are going to write some condition. Okay, here we have taken the condition to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay, inside the switch case, I have taken the cases up to from 1 to 4, but you can exceed it up to how much ever cases you want. So inside the case 1, I have taken some input and I have applied the break statement. And it is better to write the default statement inside this switch. So now what is the use of this break statement? Let's learn. So when you want to convert from INR to dollars, you want to go to case one, right? So after this, putting the break, it will come out of the loop. Otherwise, see, next you will be having euro, pound, and dollar. So your currency will be converted not only in dollars but also euro, pounds, and yen. So it's always better to use break because it will break the statements after converting to dollars. Okay. Now let us come to default. Default is applied because if I choose see here 1 to 4 it is there, right? So I will choose some 5, let it be. So it will execute this default statement whenever I apply some numbers which is outside these conditions. Okay. Next, scanner dot close. See here, I have taken the class to be scanner. So that scanner will be closed here. By using this, we can close our class. Okay. So now let's see this. What is this private static double convert to USD? And what is this parameters or the arguments which I have passed here? So, Here it is the function call. It is a method invoked by the function call, which I have see here. It is convert to USD, right? So it is called here. So what is done here is it will return some values. What values it will return? So amount in INR into the USD rates might be 0.012 for the dollars, I think. Yeah. 0.012. So it will return after converting 100 into 0.012. That might be around 1.2. But here, after the decimal place, there will be two digits. So see, it is because we have been used the specify modifier as 0.2f. Okay. So it will take two digits after the decimal places. So before the decimal places, there can be n number of values, but after the decimal places, it only takes two digits. Okay. So now let us run this. I think I have explained almost everything which is inside the code. So uh, let me just resize my terminal. So see here. Okay. Java. My class name is Currency. The Java. Enter. Okay. Currency converted from INR. Enter the amount in INR as I said. See, it is running here now. So it is asking that currency converted from INR. Enter the amount you want to convert it from the INR to specify the dollar or anything yen or anything. So I'm going to apply 100 because here I have taken 100, right? So to explain that, I will be taking 100 here. So it will ask, and then when you enter the amount here, it will first scan. Okay, I want to convert 100 rupees to dollars. So it will come here, like whether you want to convert only to the dollars or euro, pound, or anything extra. So now in the switch cases, so, okay, if you select case 1, it will going to convert into USD. In case 2 to Euro, 3 to pound, 4 to yen. So now let us take some 1, that is dollar. See here, 1.20. As I specified, it will take two decimal points. Now let me check with it. See here, I will take it to be 4. Okay, currency converts from INR. Okay, I give 100. 1. Okay, converted to 0.000 up to four decimal places. See, 0.4f. So, point 0.4 after the decimal places, it only takes four digits. Okay. So next, let me change it first. Okay. Um, next, okay, let us see what happens if I don't put break statement here. Let me just, okay, yeah. I will enter, no, this time I might enter 200. Okay, 1. So see, why it turned to 0.40, why it didn't execute this statement is I haven't saved this. So let me save it first. Okay. Um, See here, after this case 1, it's going to execute case 2 also because I have not applied break statement here, but I have applied break statement over here. That's the reason why case 3, case 4, and default cases have not been executed. Now, I was saying about the default statement, right? Now, let us see how it will work. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay, amount. Okay, I will just do 100. And here only we are having the four options. What happens if I press 5? Invalid choice. Where is this invalid choice I have written in the code? Let's see. Here, case 4, yeah, and the default invalid choice. So what will happen is if we press 1, it will go inside the switch statements and it will search for one first case. Okay. When it selects the case, like when it searches the case one, it's going to execute what's inside that. And then after applying that, it will come out of the loop and it will execute whatever you have written outside the loop. Okay. That when you apply case like 5, we don't have case in that, right? So it will come to the last case wherein you are having like default, right? So it will execute what all you have written inside the default statement. Not only like I have written invalid choice, right? If you write, please try another time. Like if you write that also, that will also be executed. Okay. So after executing that, it will come out of the loop and it will run whatever. If you write anything here, it will be run. Okay. Now I think I have covered almost everything which I have written inside the code. So if I want to brief it up, so first I have taken a class scanner inside the java.util package and I have created a currency class that is public. There are three types of modifier that is public, private, and protected. So I have chosen public and now I have taken all the values as final. So now let me just brief you about why I use final here. See, these rates are being fixed. Okay, that is fixed. Like I have taken it from the current today's date rate. So now if I want to change it anywhere here, like I don't like it to be 0.012, I want it to be 0.013. I can't change anywhere over the code if I use this final. Okay. So if I don't use this final statement, what happens is I can change this rate anywhere all over my code. Okay. See, for example, it's just like when you start your main function, first you are going to initialize int to be some 5. Okay. After you initialize some variable to 5. After that, like when you execute the code, after that you want your A to be some around 30 and you're gonna modify it and it's gonna print 30 to be from next onwards, okay? But first only if I add final here, like if I know the value to be A as 5 first only and I will apply final keyword here. If I going to change, it will show some error message. Rather than of printing this A value, it is going to show some error message. So to happen that I have taken final keyword here. So public static void main is the beginning of the code. So we have to write it. So scanner is equal to new scanner. They are the initialization of the scanner to take the input from the user. Okay. Next, currency converter from INR. I have taken the Indian rupees to be the base to convert. You can take it to be euro or anything. If you take anything extra, like you have to change here. Okay. So now double amount in INR scanner. So after entering your amount, that will be scanned in this line 16 code of line. It will scan. Okay. Next, it will print whether you want to choose your currency to convert into 1, 2, 3, or 4. Next, it will come to the switch case and execute one or the other. And you guys know, right? Like backslash and we use it like, see, this will come in one line and you want the next line to be printed in the next new line. So it is the escape sequence for that. Okay, backslash n. So next, case 2, case 3, case 4, and this all function call will be, I have invoked the methods here and it is returning the value based uh, corresponding to the cases which is here. And then, yeah, my code will be ended here and I have used VS Code Editor for this, and you can use any code editor if you have. Just if you want to know how I install this VS Code, just go to the Google and search VS Code, and you can just download the new version which is released by it. And you can refer to any videos, or if you are finding any difficulties, just comment me. I will be helping you soon. And I will be opening a new Discord channel or a Telegram channel also in the coming week. Since I started my YouTube channel from today, I will be opening it soon. And I hope my code is well defined. And if you want to add any extra code, you can, or you can just comment it below. If you find it like useful, please let me know. And if you have any idea of creating it with using the switch cases, you can comment your ideas also. Like I have used it with the help of the switch case, but you can use it with the help of if and else statements or anything. So let me just tell you how you can do by using the if else case. So I have used switch case. So as switch case, we are going to define every case. Likewise, if I use this if statements, so till here it might be the same. So if condition is equal to one, one means like dollars, like INR to dollars. If you want to execute like if condition here, so if you have to like condition one, you are going to ask like if the user wants to convert it to the dollars. Oh, sorry, like wait. See, here we can provide also like if you want to convert dollars into some other also we can provide here. Okay, I'm telling that part first, and then I will come to this part. So, see, if you want to convert dollars into euro and pounds or yen, we will provide the code to the respective things if else if, and for the last one, we are going to put else part. Okay. If you want to just convert from INR to dollars, so you can only use else. Condition is equal to one. Then execute might be you gonna execute. This amount is equal to INR. This one you will write here. Or else if you want else is like condition two, which is the condition two. Condition one is dollar. Condition 2 is to convert to euro, and condition 3 pound. Likewise, condition 4 will be uh, yen. And I have applied a default statement here, right? And you can put it in the else part. That is, if either condition 4 till condition 4 it is not satisfied, if I want to press some condition 5, then it will come to this part and invalid choice. If you print, it will be printed. So this is how you can um, create the currency converter from like using switch case, using switch statements, or using the if else code and so on. And you are always welcome to edit my code. I will be soon posting it to my GitHub repository. And yeah, thank you guys for listening this, and I hope tomorrow the session would be like I will be creating the brick breaker game or tic-tac-toe game. So yeah, thank you for everyone, and you are always welcome to tell anything I could add extra, or I could delete from my code in the comment sections. And likewise, I'm now preparing for my placements and interview part, and I will be sharing how I'm doing all this and how I'm improving my codes day by day. And yeah, any doubts, you can always reach me out. I will be providing my mail ID also. Like we could help each other and we could do good at our placements. And yeah, bye bye guys, and hope to see you tomorrow.